Welcome to our channel, dedicated to exploring innovative safety solutions for your everyday life. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the Taiker Personal Alarm for Women 140 dB. If you're someone who values personal safety and wants a reliable tool to help you feel more secure, you're in the right place. Join us as we delve into the features and benefits of the Taiker Personal Alarm. The Taiker Personal Alarm is designed to provide a sense of security and confidence, especially for women who are often targeted. Let's explore how this device works and how it can benefit you. Let's begin by highlighting some of the key features that make the Taiker Personal Alarm stand out. High decibel sound. The Taiker Personal Alarm emits a piercing sound of 140 decibels when activated. This attention-grabbing sound is loud enough to startle potential attackers and alert those nearby to your situation. Compact and portable. This personal alarm is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your pocket, purse, or attached to your keychain. Its small size ensures you can have it within reach whenever you need it. One-hand activation. The alarm can be activated quickly and easily with just one hand. This is crucial in emergency situations where every second counts. LED light. In addition to the loud sound, the Taiker Personal Alarm also features a built-in LED light. This light can serve as an extra safety measure, illuminating your surroundings and helping you attract attention. Versatile use. While designed with women's safety in mind, this personal alarm is suitable for everyone, regardless of gender or age. Whether you're walking alone at night or need assistance in any emergency, the Taiker Personal Alarm can be a lifesaver. Now, let's discuss the benefits of using the Taiker Personal Alarm for Women 140 dB. Effective deterrence. The powerful sound of 140 decibels is likely to startle potential attackers, giving you a chance to escape and seek help. Instant alert. With its one-hand activation, the alarm can be activated quickly in high-stress situations. Easy to carry. The compact size and lightweight design ensure that you can carry the alarm with you wherever you go. Enhanced visibility. The built-in LED light can help you navigate in the dark and attract attention when needed. To provide you with accurate insights, we conducted real-world testing of the Taiker Personal Alarm. Our tests evaluated its sound quality, ease of activation, and practicality in various situations. In conclusion, the Taiker Personal Alarm for Women 140 dB offers a reliable and effective solution for personal safety. Its high decibel sound and portable design make it an essential tool for anyone seeking an added layer of security in their daily life. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the Taiker Personal Alarm. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel for more safety solution insights, and sharing it with others who prioritize personal safety. Until next time, stay safe and empowered.